Difference between Independence Day and Republic Day.
Independence Day, we got the independence.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं
How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution?
Schedules तो दिन भर के रहते हैं. Constitution के नहीं पता.
Who was the first president of India to hoist the Indian national flag on the Republic Day?
सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल.
डॉक्टर लाला रानी
Hello everyone, I am Hamza and today Social Aviator has got me on board to create this amazing Vox Pop video around Republic Day. We're going to visit some colleges and ask some students some questions about Republic Day, but do you think they'll be able to answer it or will they just leave us laughing? Come on, we are on a mission and we have chosen to accept it, so let's go! Hello guys, hi, I'm Hamza.
Hi.
And we are from Social Aviator and we are creating this video around Republic Day. So the questions would be around Republic Day, and if you answer some set amount of right answers, we have some gift hampers for you from 10X. 10X is a sports brand and we have some amazing gift hampers for yours. Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
My name is Disha. Kitki Kumtakar.
ऋषभ.
Supriya Dhumar. Riddhi Zavdekar.
शशिकांत कत्रे. My name is Varun.
Hi.
Hi. So which iconic monument is featured in Republic Day celebration in Delhi?
Lions Den.
Lion statue. How many members signed the original copy of the Indian Constitution?
78.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Who was the first president of India to hoist the Indian national flag on Republic Day?
Rajendra Prasad.
That's right. How many articles were originally in the Indian Constitution when it came into effect?
Articles were 12.
12.
पढ़ने निकले वाले छात्रों को राजनीति से दूर रहना चाहिए हैं? अबे पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो.
What is the difference between Independence Day and Republic Day?
Independence Day, we got the independence.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं
Which iconic monument is featured during the Republic Day celebration in Delhi?
It has to be India Gate, I think.
Republic Day is celebrated to mark the adoption of the Indian Constitution. Say true or false?
True.
So, how many schedules were in the Indian Constitution?
Total 8 schedules.
Which Indian state has a separate constitution apart from the Indian Constitution?
Tamil Nadu.
Why?
कौन सब्जेक्ट अच्छा लगता है?
Baigan.
How many articles were originally in the Indian Constitution when it came into effect?
448 articles maybe.
How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution?
Schedules तो दिन भर के रहते हैं. Constitution के नहीं पता.
तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं जी
Anyways, so thank you so much for participating, and don't worry, we have something exciting for you. This is for you because this is a chessboard and I am sure you will enjoy it. Who are you going to play it with?
With my dad actually.
Dada's boy.
Thank you guys.
Alright. अरे चलो इन जेंजीज को पूछते हैं कि इनको कुछ आता वाता है कि सिर्फ क्रिकेटर ही बनना है इन्हें. Let's go. So hi, I am Hamza and I am from Social Aviator and we're just hoping to ask you all a few general trivia about Republic Day. Are you all game for it? Sure. All right. Before we start, can we have a quick round of introduction? We'll start with ladies first. Viewers.
Hi, I'm Ahana Vyas.
I'm Avdoot. I'm from 11th standard.
I'm Dev Walwani and I'm 22 years old and I've been an athlete for over 10 years now. A few world records, which includes 2 Guinness Book of World Records, 1 Limca record. I've won silver medal in ice skating.
भाई कोई पेपर लाओ यार, मेरे को ऑटोग्राफ चाहिए भाई. देखो ये होता है भारतीय सिटीजन.
थैंक्स लव यू
Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution?
डॉक्टर अंबेडकर.
बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर फुल नेम
Who was the first president of India to hoist the Indian national flag on the Republic Day?
सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल.
डॉक्टर लाला रानी
ये शब्द ही अपने आप में बहुत डरावना है.
राजपथ
Rajpath भाई.
लाल भारत डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद
Which iconic monument is featured during the Republic Day celebrations in India?
India Gate.
women.
I'm sure with India.
Not sure, but
So I will go with you. Oh, she trusts you, bro. That is so difficult in today's generation. What is the difference between Independence Day and Republic Day?
Republic Day was something we announced before independence, and after independence, we celebrated independence.
हाँ? भाई क्या?
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी। ओ भाई, मारो मुझे, मारो मुझे, मारो।
Republic Day is being celebrated in 2025.
76th Republic Day.
Very like question खत्म हुआ कि आंसर आ गया. Question खत्म हुआ कि आंसर आ गया. सवाल. In which language was the Indian Constitution originally written?
Hindi.
एक मिनट टाइम बस।
उर्दू बोल।
हाँ, उर्दू।
You do what people tell you to do, na?
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ। ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ।
बिल्कुल सही.
How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? अरे हर सवाल का उसका यही जवाब है, schedules. अरे ये क्या चीज होती है? So how many members originally signed the Indian Constitution?
7.
वो नहीं समझे क्या? Thala for a reason.
Around 200 or something. I'm guessing 200.
Control.
So thank you so much guys for being so sporty and आपने at least try तो किया, तो हम तुम्हें थोड़ा कुछ तो हमारी तरफ से देते. You all took the courage and you all finally accepted to do this social experiment with us. So I hope you have a good time playing table tennis with your better half. These are tennis balls by 10x. They are really good. Have good time playing with them. Skipping rope, bro. Well done. You like it, right? I can't see it in your eyes. Can you show it to the viewers in your eyes that you're happy?
चले एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।
भाई को तो असली गिफ्ट मिला है, क्रिकेट बॉल्स। ये गली क्रिकेट के सबको ही खुश हो गया कि भाई तो इससे तो बॉल मिल जाएंगे। So then this is for you, badminton racket, and I hope you have a good time playing with it. तुम में से सही आंसर किसने ज्यादा दिया था? He is so he is so honest. Girls, look at him. Oh my God! Wow! Honest guy. Look at the. So this is 10x ka foosball. I hope you enjoy it. And for you, my friend, we have a chessboard.
Perfect.
You love it? So 10x is gifting you table tennis. You play with your partner and ensure that you get another Guinness World Record for India. Good job, bro. Good job. And I hope you had a good time. Well, it turns out that the college students do know most of their Republic Day trivia. Most. Anyways, so this Voxpop video was brought to you by Social Aviator, your trusted influencer marketing platform. And I'm sure that the answers, whether right or wrong, but they did ensure that we have lots of laughs. Well, if you think you could have done better than what these college students did, then drop your answers in the comments and do tag Social Aviator so that we know whom to approach next time. Until then, sayonara, take care, bye-bye, Jai Hind.